In this video, I will show you how to make professional resume on Microsoft Word. So first go to Insert, select this rectangular shape and here specify the size 30 by 8 and then reorient it onto the corner. Here you can specify the color. So this color is perfect. And now go to the Insert again, go to Shapes and select this shape. And here you can specify the size 8 by 6 and you can resize it like this, and here you have to flip it horizontally. Drag it to the top right corner, then you have to insert your image. Right click on it and go to wrap text. Let me show you. Wrap text and select this option from here so that it can overlap onto this. You have to go to the picture format and crop it round like this. You can resize and reorient it at the center. All right, go to insert again, and in this shape you have to select this text box. So insert the text box here. You have to change the color and change it to no fill, and no outline is required for this. Here you have to write your name. So I'm writing my name here. Text size should be 28. You can set it at the middle, and colors should be white, bold and italic. Okay, so you can adjust it from here. Now copy this and paste it here. Unbold it and change the font size to 12. Here you have to write your phone number. Okay, so I'm writing this. You can write your phone number, and then uh, in this symbols, just select this phone symbol and paste it here. So what you have to do is just copy and paste it 2 more times, and then simply insert the Gmail. Here I will insert Gmail, and in this I will insert the location. So you can change the symbol. If you don't have these symbols, then you can check the description link. I have already made the videos on how to insert these symbols in the Microsoft Word. So this is the location and Gmail symbol, and now just copy the name and just paste it here, and font size should be 20 and all caps. Rewrite it as skills, and now I will need a line. So go to shapes and select the line, make a line here, and you can change the weight size, and the color of this should be white. Just copy these. Okay, so I will write my skills like Microsoft Word, SolidWorks, AutoCAD. After that, select all of these skills and select this bulleted. Okay, and now, all right, now select these skills, copy it, and I will just copy all of these things, line and the skills here again, and I will simply rewrite it. So here I will write languages, and then I will just write languages I know: English, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi. And then again I will copy all of this format at the bottom again, and I will rewrite as hobbies. So you can write your hobbies, it's up to you. Okay, so then just copy the name and change the color to black and just drag it up to here. I will rewrite it as summary. So font size should be 20 here. You can readjust it here like this at the left side, and then I will insert a line. You can change the line color and size. Insert a box here. So this is definitely a text box. So you will write your professional summary here. Okay. And then remove the border. So how you can remove the border? You only have to go to shape outline and select no color or no border. And then again, I will just simply copy this summary and I will write here education, or here you can also write experience. It's up to you. I always write education. So here this is education, and just use all caps here. Okay. And I will just simply copy the format of the summary, this line here, and this text box here. So you can write it by yourself, your education and your experience. I will write it, I will copy simply the format, and I will edit it by myself. So thanks for watching.